Wheezing by itself is generally most typically a lower airway issue, like the lungs. But if you're making sound when you're breathing, like there's a lot of folks almost kind of whistle, comes from the nose oftentimes, that is a sound of restriction in the nasal passages. So it depends on what sound's coming out of there. If it's wheezing, it's a lung thing. If it's more of a kind of a whistly sound, a lot of times what that is the septum's a little bit deviated and it's causing the airflow to kind of come through like if you pursed your lips and creating a sound. Weirdly enough, I've been doing this for long enough that if I'm with somebody who has a deviated septum and I haven't even looked in their nose, I can tell it by the way that they kind of whistle when they're talking with me.